I wonder what our fans gonna say about this video. Zoom in to the light, like always. Well, I can't get a good glance at the... Okay, sorry viewers, I'm gonna have to get a good glance. Oh. Get back. Back. Up. I'm gonna zoom. Whoa, whoa. I do not like that view. Your human gratitude is applied from home. Watch the movie. It's awesome. I'm recording you. You're blurry. Dun 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 dun. Whoa. Let's zoom into that. Let's zoom in. It's going in. It's going in. Whoa. I'm losing it. I'm losing control. Okay, I'm trying. Oh yeah. Get close to the light. Oh god, I got too late. Closer and closer and closer. You'll see the light. Ah, okay, that's enough of the light. Oh man, it went out. It went out, man. It went out. No. I did not just see that. What to do? I'm gonna. Hey! How do you say your name in Spanish? There we go. Mike, fellow! Mike. The diner. I got the YouTube. Oh god, it reached the YouTube. Hi, yo. Let's get a look. I'm terrible at saying this. Don't judge me if I'm a beginner. Hey, I took off my light. Oh, it's got water. Get a good look. Alright, okay. Do you see that? You see that? That's all swag that's going on right now. Human swag. Human gratitude is applied, people. Oh yeah. It's applied. This is applied right here. Crush. Okay. I don't even know what's happening, yo. Society is not really that much. I don't know what's happening. Is he ever gonna do firework now? I need to be quiet for a bit moment. Constantly talking. That's their description. Constantly talking of. I didn't know this. I'm doing something I should not do. But anyway, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, please tell me on YouTube if you think you're an expert. If you are, then tell us and please help us. Ha. Look. Oh god, there goes the light. Finally. No, nice. Where are you going?
Yeah. 6 minutes.
I said like 10 minutes. It's 11:45. Yeah. Look at it. It's an old one. Oh, never forget the head. Let me get a good glimpse. Okay, let's get it. Oh my god, it looks even better. You put on YouTube this, like over here. You're not seeing it. You can't. Like it shows like boring. How if you look at the camera, it looks peace. Whoa! I did not see that. Please remind me about the fireworks. What is he even doing? Do some stuff. Do stuff, man. Who are you listening to? Oh my god, it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And on my watch it says 11:55. 54. I'm sorry. I'm losing track of my time. I'm terrible at times. Whoa, Katniss? What? Katniss, say hi for the viewers. Hi! Oh god, whoa. He's gonna do the impossible. No, the possible! Ah! Okay, that was the impossible. Oh god, no, he messes up. His dictionary is messing us up. We got your dictionary, it's messing up the camera. Okay, like karate chop. And then we're done. Oh god, no. What happened? Oh god, my hair is unseeable. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see stuff. Feeble, ha. Oh, look at Katniss. Oh, I'm stalking on you. I'm stalking on Katniss. Whoa. Is he gonna do the impossible? Whoa, that's literally impossible. Why? So many Katniss. Oh wait, I want to turn on my light! I can't see Katniss. And from here I can see Katniss, but you guys can't. It's still dark. Yeah. Let me turn on my light. It's trusty light. Hi, Katniss. Be careful over there, Katniss. You might fall and get cold. What? Sorry, viewers. I accidentally did a mistake. Almost dropped it. I'm holding this with one hand. One man. Okay, this is one hand, one man go. I'm a one-hander. I'm one-manner. Let me touch you, Katniss. Katniss. It's getting leery. Look at the kitty. Whoa, the light came. Finally, he does think. Yeah, when he does have light, we're just gonna do some. Oh, it's the kitty.
What are you doing?
Really. Come on, Katniss. I got you. Sorry. See he. Hey, baby Diana. Diana, say hi for the viewers. Hold on, Katniss. Baby Diana! Let me see what it looks like about to
Where's Natalie?
Sure.
Where's Natalie located?
I don't know. So let's go back to this. Oh, look at Katniss. Hi, Katniss. Do you want to say hi for the viewers? Yeah. Who's a good cat? Who's a good kitty? Who's good? What? Sorry. I had to speak off for him. So what? Our maximum goal is 10 minutes, by the way. What, Miguel? Whoa! Did you just see that? I did not see that coming. Okay, so let's have some relaxing time with Katniss. Hi, Katniss. 10 shots around.
1 minute left. Come here. Diana, come here.
Miguel, it's a minute left. There's a minute left. It's 11:59.
Go from outside.